Hello everyone.
Happy January 27th. Today we celebrate chocolate cake, library shelves, and the remembering of history. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Chocolate Cake Day, a decadent dessert favorite. A great gift could be a cake baking kit, a gourmet cake sampler, or a festive cake stand. What's your favorite cake flavor? Let's sweeten the comments. It's Library Shelfie Day, a fun celebration of books and organization. A thoughtful gift could be a bookshelf, a bookend set, or a library tote bag. Do you love organizing books? Let's stack the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's International Holocaust Remembrance Day, a solemn day of reflection and respect. A gift could be a history book, a commemorative candle, or a donation to a remembrance foundation. How do you honor memory? Let's reflect in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 26th to 28th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.